Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Neeraj Oza, Head Legal and Company Secretary of the company, attending the AGM through Corporate Office, Nariman Point, Mumbai. I hope all of you are safe and are in good health during the COVID-19 pandemic. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you all to 14th Annual General Meeting of the company being held today, that is on Thursday, 16 September 2021 at 11:30 a.m. The meetings is being held through video conferencing, other audio-visual means, in accordance with the circular issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Scrutinizer and the Security Exchange Board of India. The webcast facility of the meeting is provided by KFin Technologies Private Limited, registrar and share transfer agent of the company, through its website. The company have made necessary arrangement in order to enable the members of the company to participate and vote on the items to be considered at this AGM. I would like to take you all through the certain important aspect regarding the participation of the members in this meeting. Facility to join the AGM through video conferencing, other audio visual means is being made available for the members on first come first served basis. All the members who have joined this meeting are by default placed on mute by the host. Once the question answer session starts, the moderator will announce the name of the shareholder who have registered themselves as a speaker shareholder. The speaker shareholder will thereafter be unmuted by the host. The speaker shareholder may put his or her video on if he or she desires to be seen. While speaking, we request the speaker shareholder to use earphone for the better audio clarity. The speaker shareholder are requested to announce their names, folio number or DPID client ID before speaking and the limit their questions for not more than 3 minutes during the AGM. If the members face any technical issue, then he or she may contact helpline number of KFin Tech mentioned in the notice of the AGM. The company has received authorization from two corporate shareholders, appointing representative under Section 113 of the Companies Act 2013 in respect of 27 lakh equity shares, that is 4.05% of the paid up equity share capital of the company. The statutory registers required in the Companies Act 2013 and other documents mentioned in the notice of AGM are open for inspection by way of web link on the website of KFin Tech and on the company's website. Members who have not voted earlier through remote e-voting can cast their vote during the course of this AGM through e-voting facility. Now I request Chairman to take the proceeding of the meeting further. Thank you.
Chairman sir, we cannot hear you. Kindly switch on your voice and then speak. Thank you, sir. Chairman sir, we cannot hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Thank you.
So thank you, Neeraj. Very good morning to all of you, dear shareholders. I cordially invite you to the 14th AGM of the company. As requisite quorum is present, I call the meeting to order. Now I request to all the directors and CFO of the company who have joined the AGM through video conference to introduce themselves. May I request Mr. Kamlesh Vikamsi to introduce himself.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kamlesh Vikamsi, Independent Director of the company. I'm Chairman of the Audit Committee and member of Nomination and Remuneration Committee of the company. I'm attending the AGM from my residence at Mumbai. Thank you.
May I request Mr. Ajay Mehta to introduce himself?
Good morning, everybody. This is Ajay Mehta. I'm an independent director of the company. I'm also a part of the. Sorry. Hello.
Sir, you can continue, sir. You can continue, sir. Ajay, sir. Thank you.
I'm speaking from my room in a hotel room, and nobody is there with me. I'm all attending this meeting from my hotel room. Thank you.
May I request Mr. Sanjay Asher to introduce himself?
This is Sanjay Asher here, one of the independent directors of the company. I am attending this meeting from my office in Fort Bombay. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, everybody. I'm Sudha Navandar, Independent Director, and I have joined the board from 1st April 2021. I'm attending this meeting from my residence in Mumbai. Could you hear me?
Yes, madam, we can hear you.
Yeah, so I have to say again? Or? Yeah.
Good morning. I'm the whole-time director of the company, attending this meeting from the corporate of Nariman Point. Thank you.
Can I request Ms. Rashi Zaveri to introduce herself?
Good morning, everyone. This is Rashi Zaveri. I'm a whole-time director, and I'm attending this AGF from my residence in Mumbai.
May I request Mr. Saurabh Banerjee to introduce himself?
Good morning. I'm Saurav Banerjee, CFO TBZ Limited, and I am attending this meeting from my residence in Mumbai.
Apart from the directors, we also have representatives of statutory auditors Chaturvedi and Shah LLP, and representatives of secretarial auditors Pramod Shah and Associates, who have joined this meeting through video conference. Dear shareholders, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all our shareholders and stakeholders for standing by us like a family. I hope all of you and your loved ones are safe and healthy. Welcome to this year's AGM of our company, our family, the TBZ, the original family. During the last year's AGM, we spoke about the disruption caused by the pandemic and the learnings therein. TBZ's 150 plus years of legacy, expertise, and experience helped us stand tall even in these testing times. Last year, TBZ was one of the first jewelers in the country to be servicing its customers at their doorstep. In 2021, we leveraged our experience of the past and tapped our digital and technology strength to continue delivering value to customers. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. Thank you.
In 2021, we leveraged our experience of the past and tapped our digital and technological strength to continue delivering value to our customers. We offered an omni-channel personalized experience wherein customers could experience the joy of shopping for TBZ within the comfort of their homes. Initiatives such as Safe to Shop campaign and personalized brochures for customers were undertaken while maintaining higher standards of safety and hygiene for all stakeholders. Total revenue from the operations were 1,354.89 crore for the year ended 31st March 2021, vis-a-vis 1,815.47 crore for the year ended 31st March 2020. The PBT margin increased by to 4.4% in FY21 as compared to 1.59 in FY20, while the PAT margin increased to 3.21% in 21 as compared to 1.21% in FY20. The Board of Directors has recommended a dividend of 2.50 per equity share of 10 rupees each, which means 25% for the financial year ended 31st March 2021, subject to the approval of the shareholders at this AGM. The company remains strong and resilient. We improved our balance sheet, our inventory management, and reducing operational costs helped us during tough times. Going forward, we definitely expect our business to pick up as well. The upcoming festival and bridal season will definitely bring us cheer. Our focus will continue to be consolidating our position, creating value, and achieving profitable growth through a customer-centric approach. Our retail sales strategy continue to be focused on achieving marketing efficiencies, greater engagement, and better experience for customers. As we progress into the new financial year of FY 2022, we remain true to our values to provide trend-setting and path-breaking, best-in-class designs to delight our customers. We remain dedicated to designing jewelry that is exquisite, yet affordable and easily accessible to the country's youth. TBZ will meet their aspirations as well as meet the demands of and expectations of the screening buyer. Once again, I would like to thank everyone in the TBZ family for their constant support. Together, we can and we will be successful in a new normal. Thank you. Since the notice is already circulated to all members, I take the notice conveying this meeting as read. There are no qualifications, observations, or adverse remarks in the auditor's report issued by the statutory auditors, and there are no qualifications, observations, or comments or other remarks in the secretarial auditor's report, which may have any material adverse effect on functioning of the company, and hence the same are not required to be read at this AGM. However, I request Mr. Oza to brief the members about the agenda items stated in the notice of the AGM and also about the e-voting process at the AGM. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Dear shareholders, there are total 4 business items, out of which there are 3 are ordinary business item and 1 special business item in the notice of 14th annual general meeting. Item under ordinary business are: item number 1 of the notice, to receive, consider, approve, and adopt audited financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2021, together with the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. To receive, consider, and approve, and adopt audited considered financial statement of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2021, together with the report of the auditors thereon. The resolution for item number 1, as provided in the notice, is proposed to be passed as an ordinary resolution. Item number 2 of the notice, to declare dividend on equity shares for the financial year ended 31st March 2021. The Board of Directors at the meeting held on 3rd May 2021 proposed the dividend of rupees 2.5, that is 2 rupees 50 paisa only per equity share of face value of rupees 10 each, that is 25% for the financial year ended 31st March 2021. The resolution for item number 2, as provided in the notice, is proposed to be passed as an ordinary resolution. Item number 3 of the notice, to appoint a director in place of Ms. Binisha Zaveri, Dean number 002636657, who retires by rotation and at this annual general meeting in the terms of section 152(6) of the Companies Act 2013, and being eligible, offer herself for reappointment. The resolution for item number 3, as provided in the notice, is proposed to be passed as an ordinary resolution. Item under special business are item number 4 of the notice, appointment of Ms. Sudha Praveen Nawandar, Dean number 02804964, as an independent director of the company. The resolution for the item number 4, as provided in the notice, is proposed to be passed as an ordinary resolution. I would like to mention that the company, with the requirements of the Companies Act 2013 and SEBI listing regulations, the company has provided to its members the facility to cast their vote through e-voting systems provided by the KFintech. The remote e-voting commenced at 9 a.m. Indian Standard Time on 11 September 2021 and was open for voting up to 5 p.m. IST on 15 September 2021. The facility for e-voting is available during the AGM to the members who have not casted their votes through remote e-voting. Members attending the AGM may go through the voting page of the KFintech e-voting website and can cast their vote. The facility to vote shall kept open for up to 15 minutes after the conclusion of the annual general meeting. Mr. Pramod Shah, partner of Messrs. Pramod Shah and Associates, practicing company secretaries, have been appointed as scrutinists to scrutinize the votes received through remote e-voting and through e-voting at the AGM. Now I request Chairman to take the AGM proceeding further. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Oza. Now I will take questions and invite speakers, shareholders who have registered themselves. I request the speakers, shareholders to limit the queries for not more than 3 minutes each and ask questions or provide suggestions which are relevant to the company. We shall, as usual, respond to all the queries altogether at the end. I request the moderator to take the questions and invite speakers one by one.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. This is your moderator from KFintech. All the speaker shareholders are requested to kindly be on mute and remain silent and be patient. And we will call upon all the speaker shareholders one by one. Our first speaker is Mr. Bimal Kumar Agrawal from Mumbai. Mr. Bimal Kumar Agrawal, kindly unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Thank you. Mr. Bimal Kumar. Sorry, sir, we are not getting any input from Mr. Bimal Kumar. So we are moving to our next speaker, Mr. Yusuf Yunus Rangwala from Mumbai. Yusuf ji.
Sir, good morning, sir. Can you hear my voice? Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, we can hear your voice.
Sir,
Kindly continue. Thank you.
First I will thanks our company secretary नीरज sir. सर जो हमारे से नाराज है सर, इस बार उनका फोन नहीं है सर, हम बहुत इंतजार कर रहे थे, पर ये लिंक मुझे कार्वी के थ्रू मिला सर। मैं कार्वी पीपल को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ सर। वो मेरे से क्यों नाराज है सर? अपने अच्छे दोस्त है सर नीरज सर, उनको सर बोलिए सर हमारा धन्यवाद दीजिए। उनकी हार्ड वर्किंग और उनकी अच्छी आज कंपनी देखो सर कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गई सर। 112 साल जूना कंपनी और आपके दोनों डॉटर आपके साथ में सर, आपके 2 पिलर है सर। सर आप अपनी कंपनी बीजेट का ऑल ओवर इंडिया में अपना शोरूम है सर, यूएसए में भी है, अफ्रीका में भी, ऑल ओवर इंडिया में आप बोले जाए सर। टोटल कितना अपना स्टोर है? और सर ओपेरा हाउस का अपना शोरूम बंद हो गया सर, वो जानना चाहता हूँ ओपेरा हाउस। और सर नया स्टोर आप कभी खोलेंगे तो हमें बुलाइए सर, आपका ओपनिंग में सर। और सर आपका नीरज सर को मुझे फोन करने को बोलिए सर, मुझे उधर करना है, बहुत टाइम हो उनकी आवाज नहीं सुनी सर। हमारे बहुत फिजिकल हम मिस कर रहे हैं सर, आपसे सर रूबरू मिलते 2 बात होती है, और जो फिजिकल जो मिलने में जो आते आज सर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस में हमें चार्ट रह गए सर। दिल ने मुझे आवाज दिया और दिल की धड़कन कहती है आपसे मिले सर। और सर मैं सब कंपनी का शेयर होल्डर, पीसी ज्वेलर्स, कल्याण ज्वेलर्स, सर ये जो अपने कंपनी का क्या कंपनी साथ में सर, इनका और अपना क्या कंपनी, कल्याण भी बहुत जूनी कंपनी है, पीसी ज्वेलर्स भी है, और बहुत कंपनी है, गीतांजलि जेम्स है वो तो खत्म हो गई है, इसी दूसरी तो बहुत कंपनी है। लेकिन आज आपके हार्ड वर्किंग और आपके 2 डॉटर के सपोर्ट के हिसाब से सर, आपके 2 डॉटर आपका पिलर है सर, उनको आपके साथ में रखिए। आप विश अवर कंपनी वेरी गुड, आपकी डॉटर बहुत अच्छी हार्ड वर्किंग है सर। लास्ट ईयर में सर नहीं आपसे जुड़ पाया क्योंकि मेरा रह गया था। इस बार मैं कार्बी पीपल को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ उनके अच्छी सर्विस के लिए सर। एक कार्बी पीपल को एक मुझे छोटा सा हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है सर, उनकी तरफ से कभी फोन नहीं आता है, उनको एक मेरा हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट बोलिए कि कभी भी कोई मीटिंग रहेगा तो कार्बी वालों को मेरे को कांटेक्ट करने के लिए बोलिए, क्योंकि उनका हैदराबाद रहता है, बॉम्बे में उनका ऑफिस नहीं है सर, तो हमें बहुत दिक्कत होता है सर। मुझे जरा इस बारे में हेल्प करिए, अपने नीरज सर को बोल के कार्बी वाले को जरा मुझे हेल्प करिए सर। नथिंग मोर टू इट सर। आवा वाले सर गणेश चतुर्थी, दशहरा, गणपति ने બધા તહેવારનો સર મેં તમારો શુભકામના દેવા ચાહું છું ને अपने सर देखो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस अपने एक बीजा મળ્યા सर। I will start my video sir, I will start my video sir, can you see my face sir? I will start my video sir, nothing more to add, my good wishes are there sir, my good wishes are there, thank you very much, may God bless our company, Khuda Hafiz sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Yusuf. Our next speaker is Mr. Satish Jayantilal Shah from Mumbai. Satish ji, kindly unmute yourself.
Hello.
switch on your video and speak. Yes, sir. आपकी आवाज आ रही है, बोलिए सर।
ओके सर, आपने अपनी चेयरमैन स्पीच में कंपनी के बारे में बहुत ही अच्छा बता दिया। TBZ इज ए ब्रिलियंट प्रोफेशनल। दिस ईयर कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा रहा और कंपनी ने डिविडेंड भी दिया। तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि कंपनी की डिविडेंड पॉलिसी क्या है, और आज जो भी रेजुलेशन रखा है उसमें मेरा फुली सपोर्ट है। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Our next speaker is Lekha Satish Shah from Mumbai. May I request Lekha ji to kindly unmute yourself, switch on your video and speak. Thank you. Sorry, sir, we are not getting any input. Our next speaker is SP Baman Shah from Mumbai. SP ji.
हेलो।
Yes, sir, आपकी आवाज आ रही है. Please continue.
आ रही है, लिखा आ रही है। ले बोल।
Hello.
Yeah, Lekha ji, बोलिए.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, you can. We can hear you. Kindly continue. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow members, good morning to all of you. Myself, Lekha Shah from Mumbai. First of all, I'm very much thankful to our Company Secretary, Mr. Dheeraj Bhai, for extending very good investor services and also sending me the AGM notice by email, telling him in such a difficult situation, which is full of knowledge, fact and pickets in place. So, I'm very grateful to our Company Secretary, Mr. Dheeraj Bhai. Thank you, Chairman Sir, for explaining us well about the company. Congratulations for excellent work, sir. Chairman Sir, this is the second time is conducted through video conference. I hope next year, by the grace of God, that situation get better and we have a physical meeting. Though times are tough and unpredictable, sure that our company has ability to deliver growth and increase the shareholders' value, the company is has been demonstrated this year. Being a woman, I'm proud to welcome Mrs. Sudhaji as our independent director. Welcome to ma'am. Sir, I am happy to see all the good deeds that you have done during this difficult time. I pray to God that He always shower His blessing upon you. Sir, I am confident that with your vision and determination, you will lead our company to greater height. And also, I pray to God, our company should progress more and more under you and your teamwork. Sir, I would like to ask 3 questions. My first question is, what are the learning from the lockdown and how is the company implement those learning? My second question is, how there been any impact of COVID second wave on the company operations? My third question is, how is our company operating? Are we working from home or are they working from the office? My fourth question is, all our employees vaccinated against COVID-19? My fifth question is, how many of our employees were affected by COVID-19? So, I would like to say, I propose all the resolutions for today's meeting and my best wishes, always our company and its prosperity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Our next speaker is Mr. Santosh Bhutani from New Delhi. Mr. Santosh Bhutani, kindly unmute yourself, switch on your video and speak. Thank you. Mr. Santosh Bhutani. Sorry, sir, we are not getting any input from Mr. Santosh. We are moving to our next speaker, Mr. Dinesh Gopal Das Mehta. Sorry, Bhatia from Mumbai. Dinesh Gopal Das ji.
हाँ सर.
Thank you.
हेलो, મારો અવાજ આવે છે સાહેબ?
जी बिल्कुल आ रहा है, कंटिन्यू करिए. थैंक यू.
હેલો. પહેલા તો હું ચેરમેન શ્રી આપને અને આપના પૂરા ટીમ હું કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન. फर्स्ट तो मैं आपको चेयरमैन श्री, मैं आपको और आपका पूरा टीम को कांग्रेचुलेशन कहूंगा कि हमारी कंपनी ने बहुत अच्छा रेवेन्यू किया है. जो भले लास्ट ईयर से हमारा रेवेन्यू कम हुआ है, लेकिन आज का ये पेंडेमिक कोविड का पीरियड के पेंडेमिक के कारण जो काफी कंपनियां लॉस करती है, लेकिन हमारी कंपनी ने जो है वो अच्छा मुनाफा किया है. जो 43 करोड़ का, ये भी एक गर्व की बात है कि भले हमारा रेवेन्यू थोड़ा कम हुआ, लेकिन हमारा जो प्रॉफिट, नेट प्रॉफिट जो है वो बहुत बढ़िया है. जो लास्ट ईयर हमारा नेट प्रॉफिट 21.94 करोड़ था, लेकिन ये साल का हमारा प्रॉफिट जो है वो 43.9 करोड़ है. वो बहुत गर्व की बात है. आपकी और आपकी टीम की मेहनत ये दिखा रही है कि आपने कुछ खर्चे में भी कुछ कंजर्वेशन किया है, जिसके कारण भले हमारा टोटल रेवेन्यू कम हुआ लेकिन प्रॉफिट बढ़ा है. ये एक बहुत गर्व की बात है. और आपने जो ₹2.50 जो डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर किया है, वो भी ये पेंडेमिक पीरियड में बहुत अच्छा और अच्छी शाइनिंग दिखाता है. बहुत आप अच्छा सीडीएस, ये CSR वर्क भी जो है हमारी कंपनी का, वो भी बहुत बढ़िया है. वुमेन काउंसलिंग का और ये जो आप कर रहे हैं, आप हमारी कंपनी के थ्रू जो कर रहे हैं ये सब वुमेन के लिए, वो भी बहुत बढ़िया चीज है. हमें गर्व होता है कि हम अच्छी कंपनी, बड़ी कंपनी के शेयर होल्डर हैं. बाकी मैं हर एक रिजोल्यूशन में आपको सपोर्ट देता हूँ. थैंक यू, आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया इसमें. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you.
Our next speaker is Mr. Hariram Chaudhary from Mumbai. Mr. Hariram Chaudhary, kindly unmute yourself, switch on your video and speak. Thank you. Hariram ji. Sorry, sir, we are not getting any input from Hariram ji. Our next speaker is Hiranand Kotwani from Kalyan. Hiranand ji. Sorry, sir. Hiranand ji, are you there?
Yes, yes, I am there. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please continue. We can hear you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. No, video is not working. And thank you for giving the dividend and how our company future will cope up. We are seeing this company to compete with Titan. So what is your vision, mission and call regarding the innovation, new growth and prosperity? How we are going to improve this company with growth area and prosperity and giving the continuous rising dividend and investor reward to the shareholder. I will support all the resolution. We will certainly meet. Convey my good wishes. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Our next speaker is Mr. P. Jayachan from Chennai. May I request Mr. P. Jayachan to kindly unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Thank you.
Can you hear me, sir? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. Thank you.
Sir, trust all is well with you and your family in this challenging situation. Our company deserves much more respect than the current market cap. After completing more than a decade of successful operations, profitability, dividend history, and becoming one of the strongest brand in our respective segments. And I would like to know how our business has been impacted in these past 2 years of this COVID time, and what are the steps being taken by the management to reduce the other expenses, legal professional charges, and the audit fees. Sir, myself and my team are running a legal firm in the name and style of Sounders Associate in Chennai. So I request your good selves to kindly enroll our firm in the empanelment of the company, and we will be glad to extend our services. Sir, I would get in touch with the company later, and I will share my credentials, sir. And sir, in the KFin portal, where we exercise our e-voting and where we get access for the annual general body meeting, you are supposed to update the inspection of documents like register of members, register of KMP, and register of contracts, if any. But unfortunately, it is not updated, sir. So I would request your good selves to kindly update the same for the inspection of members. And the coronavirus and the subsequent lockdowns have left virtually no industry untouched after the COVID. Whether any employees you have exact higher salary cut in percentage, if any cost-cutting initiative done by the management, any salary cut was being taken by the management, I would like to know from you, sir. And sustainability of the profit earning growth will remain challenging in the coming quarters. So how are we going to plan accordingly in the years to come, and what is the future of the company? I request your good sir to kindly send discount and gift vouchers to the investor fraternities who have participated in the annual general body meeting. And nothing much to ask, sir. I thank the company secretary and the entire team for conducting this annual general body meeting virtually and making this annual general body meeting a grand success. I thank the company secretary and the entire board of directors. Prosperity and great success in the years to come, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for giving the opportunity.
Thank you.
Our next speaker is P. Shyamasundari from Chennai. Request Shyamasundari ji to kindly unmute yourself.
Shyamasundari is my mother, sir. She has not joined.
No problem, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our next speaker is Mr. Kirti Shah sir, from Mumbai. Mr. Kirti Shah, kindly unmute yourself, switch on your video and speak. Thank you. Sorry, sir, we are not getting any input from Kirti ji. Our next is Shobhana Mehta from Surat. Shobhana ji, kindly unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, Shobhana ji.
Hello.
Yes, continue.
Can you hear me?
Yes, very
thank
well.
you.
Thank you.
रिस्पेक्टेड चेयरमैन श्री श्रीकांत जी, अन्य मेरे जाने माने डायरेक्टर भाइयों बहनों, मेरा नाम शोभना मेहता। सर, मैं सूरत शिफ्ट हो गई हूँ, सो सूरत से अपने रेसिडेंस से बोल रही हूँ। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सर, कोविड-19 की वजह से इस साल भी हम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिस के थ्रू एजीएम कर रहे हैं। सो कहूंगी, जो आप में है ये तस्वीर में नहीं। आप सबसे मिलना, बातें करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। एनीवे, भगवान ने चाहा तो नेक्स्ट ईयर हम फेस टू फेस जरूर मिलेंगे, कोविड जल्द खत्म होगा। सर, ईमेल के थ्रू बैलेंस शीट और एजीएम नोटिस इन टाइम मिली। हमारे सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट ने बैलेंस शीट वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव एंड ट्रांसपेरेंट बनाई है। सो मैं हमारे कंपनी सेक्रेटरी श्री नीरज भाई और उनकी पूरी टीम को और बैलेंस शीट बनाने में जिनका भी योगदान रहा है वो सभी एग्जीक्यूटिव्स को भी धन्यवाद देते हुए कहूंगी, वेरी वेल डन, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप। सर, आज की ये मीटिंग में जुड़ने के लिए भी नीरज भाई ने मुझे काफी हेल्प की थी और इसके लिए भी धन्यवाद। सर को हमारे केएफ इंटेक को भी धन्यवाद देती हूँ। सर, कोविड पेंडेमिक की वजह से कई कंपनियों में परफॉर्मेंस में इम्पैक्ट हुई और हमारी कंपनी का तो फिर भी बहुत अच्छा रहा कंपेयर टू अदर्स और रिजल्ट अच्छे आए हैं। एंड अपने अच्छे रिजल्ट को देखते हुए डिविडेंड भी हमारा ₹2.50 पर शेयर रेकमेंड किया है। सो सर, गुड रिजल्ट एंड डिविडेंड के लिए मैं आपको और आपकी एंटायर टीम को बहुत बहुत शुभकामना के साथ धन्यवाद देती हूँ। सर, वैसे तो मुझे आप पर और आपकी एंटायर टीम पर पूरा फेथ है कि आप जो भी करोगे वो कंपनी और शेयर होल्डर के हित में ही होगा, लेकिन फिर भी जस्ट फॉर माय इंफॉर्मेशन 3 क्वेरीज करना चाहूंगी। सर, सीएसआर में कंपनी अच्छा काम कर रही है, तो सीएसआर में कंपनी ने कितने अमाउंट स्पेंड किए, इस साल भी बैलेंस शीट प्रिंटिंग कराई है या नहीं, बैलेंस शीट प्रिंटिंग की है तो कॉपी कितनी की है, नहीं की है तो बैलेंस शीट प्रिंटिंग, पोस्टिंग, हॉल बुकिंग, रिफ्रेशमेंट वगैरह के एक्सपेंसेस नहीं हुए हैं। तो प्लीज जरा बताने की कृपा करें कि कंपनी ने कितने अमाउंट सेव किए और ये वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिस एक्सपेंसेस कितने हुए। और सर मेरी गुड विशेस हमेशा आपके साथ थी, है और रहेगी, और आज भी मैं आप सबको गुड विशेस देते हुए कहूंगी। आपका श्रीकांत भाई, आपकी स्पीच तो मैं नहीं देख पाई क्योंकि मेरा आइकॉन ही नहीं आया था जब मैं ज्वाइंट हुई, तब वापिस मैंने रिज्वाइन किया। तो एनीवे आपकी स्पीच तो मैंने नहीं सुन पाई हूँ, लेकिन आपका हंसता हुआ नूरानी चेहरा मैंने जरूर देख लिया था। सो कहूंगी, आंखों में खुशी, लबों पे हंसी, गम का कहीं नाम न हो। भगवान आप सबको जहाँ की सारी खुशियां दे, उन खुशियों की कभी शाम न हो। यही शुभकामना के साथ आज आपने जो रेजोल्यूशन रखा है, वो सभी रेजोल्यूशन में फुल्ली सपोर्ट करते हुए कंपनी के लिए सुनाई देती हूँ। हमारी कंपनी दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करती रहे, ताकि आप हमें ईयर बाय ईयर बेटर परफॉर्मेंस के साथ बेटर डिविडेंड और नियर फ्यूचर में बोनस भी दे पाए। श्रीकांत जी, जाते जाते एक पॉइंट याद आया, तो वो भी मैं आपको सजेशन देना चाहूंगी कि हम त्रिभुवन भीम जी के शेयर होल्डर है। शेयर होल्डर होने के नाते ज्यादा तो सेक्रेटरी के पास तो मोबाइल नंबर रहता ही है। जिनका है, जिनका नहीं है उसका तो सवाल नहीं, जिनका है, कोई स्कीम आती है दीपावली त्योहारों पे, तो देखिए अभी तनिष्क में जो जो स्कीम आती है, जैसे कि मेकिंग में फ्री मेकिंग है, या डायमंड में मेकिंग नहीं है, या गोल्ड में मेकिंग में 20% डिस्काउंट है वगैरह, एसएमएस जरूर आता है। तो आप भी ये मार्केटिंग वालों को कहिए कि जिनके जिनके शेयर फोन नंबर या ईमेल एड्रेस है, उन पे आप ये जरूर भेजिए इंफॉर्मेशन, ताकि हमारा सेल्स थोड़ा और भी बढ़े। ये मेरा सजेशन है। और इसी के साथ में आने वाले सभी त्योहारों की भी मैं आपको और आपकी एंटायर टीम को गुड विशेस देते हुए कहूंगी, लोग की को कलियुग की बात, चांद की चांदनी, अपनों का प्यार, मुबारक हो सबको आने वाले नवरात्रि, दशहरा, दीपावली का ये नया त्योहार। इसी के साथ में धन्यवाद। आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर सक्सेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गुड डे, हैव अ नाइस डे। थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Our next speaker is Beruz F. Purodhari from Mumbai. Beruz ji, please unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Sorry, sir, we are not getting any input from Beruz ji. Our next speaker is
Beruz is no more. Hello, hello.
No, but
Beruz
we
is
got-
no more now. उनकी
we
तो
got
डेथ
a
हो गई है।
No, but we got the registration from him, so the request
Surprise.
to go for a transmission. Okay, thank you. We are moving to our next speaker, Vasudha Vikas from Thane. Vasudha ji. Vasudha ji. Sorry, sir, we are not getting any input from Vasudha ji also.
Hello,
Oh.
please unmute me.
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you. Please continue. बोलिए जी, स्मिता जी बोलिए। वसुधा जी, स्मिता जी।
Hello, it is not waste.
Hello.
Hello. We are not getting any proper input from Vasudha ji. Vasudha ji, are you there?
Hello.
You have not unmuted me.
Sir, madam, we can hear you. That's why you are already unmuted. That's why we can hear you. You can continue.
Hello. But that speaker icon is blue, red sometimes.
आप उसको स्पीकर के आइकन को छोड़ दीजिए, आप बोलिए।
Okay,
आप बोलना
thank
शुरू
you. Okay. Very good morning, respected Chairman Sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow shareholders. Myself, Vasudha from Thane. I would like to congratulate our company secretary for sending me the soft copy of the report well in advance, which itself is clear and transparent. I would like to ask, what is the impact of COVID-19 on our employees? Are you following any layoff policy to them? Secondly, I would ask, are you opening any new branches in the location of Upper Thane side, in Kalyan, Ambernath location? With this, I support all the resolution. Thank you very much and wish the the company all the best for coming financial years, and my best wishes for Ganpati festivals, Dasera and Diwali. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Bharat ji, have you joined? If you have joined, kindly unmute yourself.
Hello.
and speak. Yeah.
हेलो
हाँ,
हाँ,
आप बोलिए।
स्मिता-
जी मैडम, आप
हाँ,
बोलिए। मैडम स्मिता जी, आप
ओके।
बोलिए।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। माननीय चेयरमैन श्री श्रीकांत भाई तथा अन्य मान्यवर डायरेक्टर्स, सर मैं बंबई से स्मिता शाह बात कर रही हूँ। सर होप करती हूँ कि आप सभी सुरक्षित होंगे। और पहले तो आज हम वीसी माध्यम थ्रू सेकंड टाइम मिल रहे हैं। सो वीसी माध्यम में कई सारी दिक्कतें रहती है सर, टेक्निकल इश्यूज भी आते हैं, बट आज मैं आपसे बात कर पा रही हूँ। जो बात करने का मौका दिया प्लस गुड इन्वेस्टर सर्विस देने के लिए मैं हार्ड वर्कर, मेहनती, स्माइलिस्ट नेचर के कंपनी सेक्रेटरी श्री नीरज जी को मैं हार्दिक धन्यवाद और अभिनंदन देती हूँ। और साथ में के फिनटेक को भी मैं उनकी गुड सर्विस के लिए धन्यवाद करती हूँ सर। और सर आपको भी मैं अभिनंदन देते हुए बधाई देती हूँ कि आज अपने कठिन परिस्थिति में भी कंपनी को संभाल कर गुड वर्क के साथ अच्छा रिजल्ट दिया है। ये सभी श्रीकांत भाई आपकी लीडरशिप में, पूरी बोर्ड टीम की मेहनत, सभी छोटे बड़े एम्प्लॉइज, वर्कर्स सभी का सहयोग भी आपके साथ रहा है। सो ये सभी आपकी मेहनत लगन का अच्छा परिणाम है। और सर आपने अपनी बेटी को अपना जो बोर्ड पे बिठाया है, तो सर बेटी धन की पेटी है, तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है सर। तो लक्ष्मी बहुत ही खुश रहती है। सो बहुत ही फ्यूचर्स में आपको लक्ष्मी मिलने वाली है। और उनके साथ और भी दो लेडी डायरेक्टर है, तो और भी आपकी बढ़िया प्रगति के साथ अपनी बढ़ोतरी होने वाली है जरूर सर, ये मेरा पूरा विश्वास है। सो खुशी के साथ कहूंगी कि बस आप आगे आगे बढ़ते रहे, हम आपके साथ है। और ऐसे देखो तो अपनी सालों पुरानी टीबीजेड का नाम आज भी मार्केट में मशहूर है, अव्वल में है, आज भी ज्वेलर गारंटेड नाम रहा है। सो बस सर यही नाम अपना फ्यूचर्स में भी बना रहे और दिन प्रतिदिन कंपनी प्रगति के साथ आगे बढ़ चौगुनी सफलता प्राप्त करे, ये मेरी दिल की शुभ भावना के साथ शुभकामनाएं मैं देती हूँ। और सर फिलहाल श्री गणेश जी का त्योहार भी चल रहा है, सो श्री गणेश जी की कृपा भी आप पर अवश्य बनी रहेगी। और सर आपको रिद्धि सिद्धि जरूर प्राप्त रहेगी सर। और आपने 25% डिविडेंड दिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। आज ये विकट परिस्थिति में भी आपने जो डिविडेंड दिया, सो मैं बहुत बहुत आभार मानती हूँ। बस ऐसे ही कंपनी को आगे बढ़ा, फ्यूचर्स में डिविडेंड बढ़ाए, बस यही मेरी आशा के साथ ईश्वर को, श्री गणेश जी को प्रार्थना है। और सभी रिजोल्यूशन में फुल्ली सपोर्ट करती हूँ और आने वाले सभी त्योहार की शुभकामना देते हुए सर कहूंगी कि जाने अनजाने कोई भी भूल हो गई हो, सो मैं मिच्चामी डुक्कड़म सर। और नेक्स्ट ईयर सर फिजिकल एजीएम में हम मिल सके, यही मेरी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हुए फिलहाल कहूंगी कि आप सभी फिलहाल स्वस्थ रहे, सुरक्षित रहे। धन्यवाद सर। सर भरत चाने।
Our next speaker is Rajendra Jamnadas Sethji from Thane. Rajendra ji, kindly unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Thank you, sir.
Can I speak, sir? Santosh Bhatani?
Sir, you wait for some more time because Rajendra ji is on the line. Rajendra ji, please speak. I will, Bhatani ji, I will call after Santosh ji. Thank you.
हेलो हेलो।
Yes, हाँ सर बोलिए सर, राजेंद्र जी बोलिए।
हाँ जी सर, नमस्कार सर। पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं स्टार्टिंग से ही कंपनी का शेयर होल्डर रहा हूँ। कभी भी मेरे को ये स्टॉक के ऊपर इतना भरोसा है सर कि मैं कभी मतलब बेचने का सोचा तक नहीं सर। और ये सर हमेशा मेरे को टाइम से डिटेल के साथ नोटिस मिलती है, तो मैं मैनेजमेंट टीम और सेक्रेटरी दोनों का धन्यवाद मानता हूं सर। और दूसरा सर, ये कोरोना काल में हमारा मैनेजमेंट और स्टाफ और शेयर होल्डर का सबके हेल्थ अच्छी रहे, ये ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है सर। मैं तो सर 3 पीढ़ी से टीबीजेड का हम लोग कस्टमर रहे हैं, तो मेरे को तो उसकी प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर भी प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर भी पूरा भरोसा है सर, और मैनेजमेंट ने अच्छा डिविडेंड दिया और अच्छा रिजल्ट ये टाइम के पीरियड में दिया, तो मैं खरेखर दिल से उसका आभार मानता हूँ सर। बाकी सर मेरा इतना ही कहना था कि हम लोग 3 टायर सिटी में अभी भी वो करे आउटलेट, तो धंधा सर ज्यादा बढ़ सके ऐसा है सर। बाकी सब रिजोल्यूशन में पूरा मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट है, और मेरे को मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर पूरा विश्वास है सर। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you.
Chairman sir, with your permission, I am allowing Mr. Santosh Bhutani ji to speak. Thank you, Santosh ji. Now you can speak. Thank you.
When you will allow me?
Sir, you are already here.
बहुत धन्यवाद चेयरमैन सर, बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार हूं चेयरमैन सर, आपकी टीम का, CS डिपार्टमेंट का, जिन्होंने हमें टाइमली जो है एनुअल रिपोर्ट, नोटिस और साथ ही साथ हमें जो एक रिमाइंडर भी भेजा कि वोटिंग को टाइमली भेजना है, एक बहुत अच्छे तरीके किया। और सबसे अच्छी बात मैंने देखी है चेयरमैन सर आपके यहाँ सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट की, कि उन्होंने मुझे जो मेरी क्वेरीज थी उसका जवाब जो है बहुत अच्छे से वो मेरे को मिला है, अप टू लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन। सर मैं उनकी टीम को जो क्विक रिस्पॉन्स है, ट्रांसपेरेंट अप्रोच है और एक्यूरेट कंप्लायंसेस जो उन्होंने बहुत समय पे की है, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सर I will feel proud that the management had taken all possible steps for employee safety during the time of pandemic and significant CRS contribution in crucial time for society. Sir, my almost question has been addressed in your opening remarks by your good self. Still, I have a few, two small queries. Number one, do you have any major capex plan in the coming time? And how is the digital business of the company doing at present situation? And what step company is taking towards new age business model? Thank you very much. I would appreciate if you could briefly reply. And I wish the company all the best for the future and hope to see a healthy growth in business size of the company. Chairman sir, we are proud to be a shareholder of your company. हम दिल्ली से बोल रहे हैं। दिल्ली में आपकी जनपद में बहुत पुरानी शॉप है और बहुत अच्छा लगता है। एक समय होता था जब हम साल के अंत में नए साल का कैलेंडर हमें मिलता था और हम अपने घर में लगाते थे, बहुत खुशी और बहुत अच्छा लगता था सर। अब चूंकि कोविड-19 ने पोजीशन को बदल दिया है और समय के साथ अब ये प्लेटफॉर्म में हम जुड़ रहे हैं, हमें इस प्लेटफॉर्म में भी अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि ये प्लेटफॉर्म ना केवल मुंबई बल्कि ऑल ओवर इंडिया में सभी को एक मौका देता है अपनी बात को रखने का, अपनी बात को पहुंचाने का। आने वाले फेस्टिवल में हमारी कंपनी, आने वाला जो क्वार्टर ये जो चल रहा है, बेहतरीन साबित हो हमारी कंपनी के लिए और हमारी कंपनी इन्वेस्टर के लिए और बेटर जो है किसी वे में कर सके। ऐसी शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं चेयरमैन सर आपका दिल से आभार प्रकट करते हुए कंपनी सेक्रेटरी और उनकी पूरी टीम का, जिन्होंने समय रहते मुझे हर चीज को भेजा, मेरी क्वेरी को मेरे को एड्रेस किया और एक बड़ा अच्छा एक सैंपल उन्होंने एक सेट किया है कि शेयर होल्डर की कोई क्वेरी हो पहले ही भेजें उसको, ताकि मुश्किल ना हो, उसकी हर से छोटी छोटी चीज को भी देखा जाए। तो ये सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट की बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि मानता हूँ सभी शेयर होल्डर के प्रति। मैं चेयरमैन सर आपको सैल्यूट करता हूँ। आपने अपने जो भी आपने कार्य किए हैं कोविड-19 में, उसके लेकर मैं दिल से आपका शुक्रगुजार कहना चाहता हूँ। एक शब्द में, एक शेर में कहना चाहता हूँ कि गैरों से कह दो कि अकेले नहीं है हम, दुआओं का काफिला चलता है हमारे साथ। सभी शेयर होल्डरों की आपके साथ दुआएं हैं, आपके एम्प्लॉइज की दुआएं आपके साथ हैं। चेयरमैन आपकी टीम को आप जो है इसी तरह से आप कंपनी को आगे बढ़ाते रहे, क्योंकि शेरों को भी सिखा दिया है खामोश रहना, तो जुर्मों ने शेरों को भी सिखा दिया है खामोश रहना, क्योंकि उनको एहसास है कि दहाड़ कर शिकार नहीं होता। कंपनी को ऊंचाइयों को पहुंचाने के लिए परिश्रम की जरूरत है और परिश्रम ही पराकाष्ठा की ओर पहुंचाती है और हमारी कंपनी उस दिशा में बहुत आगे बढ़ रही है। बहुत शुभकामनाओं के साथ दिल्ली से संतोष भूटानी, MP भूटानी, आपका अभिनंदन, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर।
Thank you. Thank you.
Our next speaker is Parik Chetna Anil ji from Mumbai. Parik ji, kindly
Hello.
unmute yourself and बोलिए। हाँ सर, आपकी
Hello,
आवाज आ रही है।
moderator.
आ रही है आवाज।
Hello, Mr. Moderator. I am not Parekh Chetna Anil. I am Anil Champaklal Parekh. I am a joint holder in the company. Just to inform you. So kindly, I have requested also in the name of Anil Parekh.
So, sir, both the names are available with us, but we called the first holder. That is why I called the name of the Parekh.
No, but
anyway, you can continue. Thank you.
No, but whosoever requested, you just spell out his name or her name, right? Chairman, sir, Board of Directors, Chairman Sri Srikantji, Board of Directors, and my fellow shareholders. Sir, I am Anil Parekh here from Bombay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Kindly continue.
Okay. I would like to thank our CS team, particularly Mr. Neeraj Oja. Is doing very good investor services as far as investor relation is concerned. So I'm thankful to him. Sir, we all are passing through difficult times, and physical interference is not possible. So I hope you all are safe and sound at your respective end, and I wish you best of luck for coming years, and hope that next year all things good prevail and we can meet physically. Chairman sir, I have gone through the financial highlights wherein for the year 2020 our turnover was 1810 crores, and this year it has rose to 1341 crores, and profit after tax is 100% higher from last year's 22 crores to 43 crores. Excellent. Under the circumstances, you have done excellent work, and I hope you will continue to do so. However, sir, what I have observed that consumption of gold jewelry at our retail outlets and all that has declined, and diamond jewelries has rose. So, what was the reason for declining of gold jewelry? I would like to know. Thank you for 25% dividend under this difficult situation, and you have thought about small investors in your mind, so you have declared 25%. Thank you, sir. Sir, you have also mentioned average ticket size to our stores is 1.5 lakhs around. So, what would be your expectation average ticket size next year or two? Sir, also any new investment is expected this year, and any new store opening or capex, and do we have any franchises? Sir, also how many people are there in design development? My next question is our manufacturing facility is at Kandivali. Sir, where exactly this facility is? I have never come to know where is this facility. And do we have any kind of gold or diamond misappropriation by any of our staff members? Sir, why I am asking this question to you is just recently I have witnessed one diamond company, namely Sovereign Diamond, wherein one old employee has misappropriated gold worth of rupees 45 lakhs. So, how secured our facility at Kandivali, manufacturing facility at Kandivali? I would like to know from you. And many CSR activities we have done. As expected, you are doing very good on CSR activity. And how many employees have been vaccinated, and how many was impacted due to COVID-19? And I don't want to have many more questions. I'm restricting myself here, and I hope you will lead company to better and better performance. I'm thankful to all of you for allowing me to attend this VC conference. Thank you, sir, for present hearing.
Our next speaker is Mr. Manoj J. Bagadia ji. Manoj ji, kindly unmute yourself, switch on your camera and speak. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to talk. Am I clear, sir?
Yes, sir, you are clear, sir.
Thank you. Sir, my first question is if you can just talk about the current state of the industry in terms of the demand, the higher gold prices, hallmarking issues, what's going on right now. So there are a lot of things happening in the industry. And if you can talk about the opportunities and threats in the industry as of now for the organized versus the unorganized sector. Second is the cost initiative. Do you foresee any further cost initiative or cost savings possible, or we are at the optimal level as of now? Third thing is if you can just give overall view on the debt or inventory, working capital and everything, and how do you see that going forward? Fourth is what is the break-even sales? At what point we will break even at the PBT level? And how do you see that? When do you see that happening actually? One other thing is about the online strategy, sir. For our current product range, I'm not sure online sales would happen because these are expensive jewelry, but low-end jewelry like in 5, 10, 15,000 range has become almost like a semi-FMCG kind of a thing. So is there a plan to leverage on that demand side? Because there's a significant demand happening there, and we being a branded player could have a significant opportunity. Also, if you can throw some light on the design studio and the strength, what we have, the kind of expenses that we are spending, and the revenue that it generates out of that. And last thing is, sir, outlook for next 3 to 5 years. I mean, we've been listed for a long time. We've been there in business for more than 100 years. How do you foresee next 3 to 5 years in creating shareholder wealth? Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our next speaker is Asha Jamna Das Harjani ji from Mumbai. Asha Jamna Das ji, kindly unmute yourself.
You are now muted.
Unmute your video and speak. Sorry, we are not getting any input from Asha ji. Our next speaker is Mr. Aloysius Peter Mascarenhas from Mumbai. May I request Aloysius to kindly unmute yourself and speak. Thank you. Sorry, sir. We are not getting any input from Aloysius, sir. So we have completed calling out the name of all the speaker shareholder. We are handing over back the proceeding to the chairman, sir, or the board. Thank you. Chairman, sir, kindly unmute yourself.
Now I call upon Mr. Saurav Banerjee, CFO of the company, to give reply to questions raised by the speaker shareholders.
Good afternoon, esteemed members and shareholders of this company. Before I begin answering the questions, may I just do a sound check and see if I am audible? Am I clear?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. You are absolutely audible and clear, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Before I begin answering the specific questions, I would like to apprise all our esteemed shareholders that the financial year 2021 has been a very unique year for reasons which are already known to us. There has been no such precedence which unfolded during the year 2021 because of COVID and because of the pandemic, which spread very quickly and all over the world and resulted in indefinite lockdowns for a substantial part of the year, thereby affecting the business of the company, and overall economic and customer sentiments were also adversely impacted. Hence, I would request all shareholders to kindly appreciate that the numbers, the statistical details, and the other details that we are sharing with all of you may not be really comparable to any of the previous years and may not also be comparable to any of the future years as well. So with this, I would now attempt to answer some of the questions that have been put to us. To begin with, the company has a total number of stores, 31 stores as of now. We do not have a store in Opera House. We are a fully domestic company and we do not have any stores outside India. The learnings from lockdown and how it has been implemented, yes, of course, it has been a great learning experience for the entire company, for the management and its employees. The biggest learning was to be resilient in the face of great adversities and protect the balance sheet, the cash flows, and rationalize the inventory, the the costs or the expenses of the company, the overheads. Look into each and every aspect of the overheads to ensure that there are no wasteful spends, and every single spend has been questioned, has been thought after very clearly, and all measures have been taken to ensure that the company does not spend anything more than what is absolutely essential to continue with the day-to-day business. You will see from our numbers that we have taken giant steps towards the inventory rationalization, which has been done very, very effectively, and a huge amount of cash has been, I would say, introduced into the system by way of the inventory rationalization, which has enabled us to reduce our debts very substantially and strengthen our balance sheet. So I think that is something that we have implemented very successfully. On the other hand, in spite of the company being not able to earn revenues for almost 4 months, the first quarter was a complete washout and there was total lockdown and no revenues could be generated. And it also impacted the 4th month, which is July of the financial year. But in spite of all that, the company has been able to generate a reasonable level of revenue at a good profit margin, and which is reflected in our improvements in the profitability of the company, which is clearly visible. Impact of second wave, yes, once again, unfortunately, there has been a very major impact of second wave in this financial year. Once again, the first quarter of this financial year, which is 21-22, has been adversely affected because of the second wave. And we had to contend with very low opportunities for revenue in the month of April and May, and to a certain extent, June. However, we are very confident that going forward, barring any untoward incidents like a third wave or a fourth wave, the company is very confident, and from the learnings that it has understood from the last financial year, we should be able to turn around and do as well as one can expect of this great company. All stores are currently fully open and totally operational. However, the corporate office employees are still working from home as a prudent safety measure, which has been adopted by the company for the safety and security of its employees. The focus on growth, yes, there is always, the company is continuously focusing on growth to increase the customer base of the company, to make it widespread across the length and breadth of the country, to increase footfalls through our advertising and branding campaigns and our communication to the customers, and through our tactical offers, higher conversion percentages, which we are aiming for and which we have achieved to a great extent, and that will lead to the increase in the revenues. There was a question on audit fees. The audit fees for the year is around 50 lakhs, which has been reduced substantially from the previous audit fees. There was a request from one of our esteemed shareholders to look at the legal and professional expenses and opportunities therein. We shall certainly do so, and we shall revert on that matter. Manpower cost decrease, yes, there has been a very substantial decrease in manpower cost, more than 20 crores of decrease in manpower cost, partly because of employee rationalization which has happened, and partly due to various other measures that were taken by the company. CSR expenses has been approximately about 58.7 lakhs. Balance sheet printing, no, we have not printed any balance sheet, and there has been a saving of around 4 lakhs because of that decision that we have taken. We certainly accept your suggestions about communicating all marketing initiatives to customers. In fact, we are always doing so. TBZ as a company has a very strong communication, I would say, legacy, and we clearly communicate by using the various media vehicles to ensure that our customers get to know about our offers and our initiatives, and whatever efforts we are taking to ensure that customers find it easy to come to our store and to purchase jewelry of their choice. Impact of COVID on employees, the company's one of the biggest and foremost priorities was to ensure complete safety and security of the employees, and that is why for a very long period of time we have been working from home, and we have ensured that nobody gets adversely impacted. However, unfortunately, there have been a few instances where employees have been affected by COVID, which is very unfortunate, but they have recovered on time and are doing well now. Any new stores in Upper Thane, Ambernath area? The company will certainly look into opportunities to open new stores in that area. We have had discussions internally in the past about opening stores, and when the opportune moment arises and the business environment is encouraging enough, we shall most certainly look at opening new stores in Thane, Ambernath area. Capex plans for this financial year is nothing substantial. It is the routine capex. It will be a few lakhs, not more than that. Digital platform, yes, the digital platform initiatives have been taken by the company and are doing quite well. We have completely made our Kalpavruksha scheme online, and a customer or somebody who wants to enroll can go through the entire process online from the comfort of their homes without having to venture out. Plus the digital platform in terms of virtual store, in terms of visiting a store virtually by sitting at home and interacting with our sales staff and our sales personnel and looking at our range of products and even selecting them or buying them and getting them delivered to the residence of the customers. All these initiatives have been taken and they are doing very well, and they have found a lot of support from the customer base. New age business model, yes, I just spoke. This is the new age business model where one should enable online business to happen from the comfort of the homes and offices of people without really having to venture out. However, the options are open to our customers. They are most welcome to visit our stores. All COVID related safety norms are being followed very strictly, nothing to fear, and you can confidently come to our store and make your purchases, or you can do so from your homes as well. Consumption of gold jewelry decreased, as I explained, that for almost 4 months the stores were closed, and that has led to overall consumption of jewelry having got reduced, and which has also impacted gold jewelry consumption to a certain extent, also because of very high prices of gold which were prevalent for a greater part of the year, which may not have been very suitable for the budgets of some of our customers who may have been wary of purchasing gold jewelry at such high prices. However, the pent-up demand is very clearly visible, and we are now able to, I would say, cater to the requirements of those demands now that the gold prices have reduced to a certain extent. Average ticket size for next year, our aim shall always be to ensure that the average ticket size keeps on increasing. However, I will hasten to add that we have a wide range of products to suit every budget and every pocket, and customers can make their own choices. Franchisees, we have 3 franchisees who are doing pretty well under the circumstances. The manufacturing facility in Kandivali is located in Charkop. There is no instance of misappropriation of gold, absolutely none at all. All safety and security measures have been taken in the company to ensure that such misappropriation or even an attempt to do so is not possible. How many employees were vaccinated? The company has taken a lot of initiative to vaccinate its employees, and virtually all the employees have been vaccinated as on date. Current state of industry, yes, there is a lot of consolidation happening in this industry currently due to a lot of measures that have been taken by the government, like mandatory hallmarking and GST and various other regulatory measures. It is helpful for the organized sector to increase their presence and increase their share vis-a-vis the unorganized sector. And there is greater accountability, transparency, and trust. And the state of industry, barring the impact of COVID, has been very healthy in the recent times, and we are expecting it to be stronger in the near future as well. Cost initiatives possible? Yes, most certainly, as we have already demonstrated by our substantial reduction in cost. The cost initiatives taken by the company has borne fruit. There is always a possibility of taking up some more initiatives. The company is constantly looking at areas where the cost initiatives can be affected further, and you will find that there will be certain further reductions which will be visible to you by the time we announce our results next year. Debt inventory level, as I explained earlier, the inventory rationalization has resulted in a lot of cash being generated and released into the system, and you can see that the debt of the company has very substantially reduced from about 548 crores, which has come down to about 350 crores, almost 200 crores of reduction in debt, which is, I think, a very substantial and successful debt management that the company has done. In terms of online sales opportunity, we recognize that that's a huge opportunity in front of us, and company has already taken initiatives to strengthen and to have a greater foray into online sales, and we shall be happy to report all progress on front to you later on. Design studio, we have a very strong and very innovative, I would say, very talented design studio, because of which we are enabled to churn out exquisite designs, collections throughout the year, which are very unique and which are well liked and appreciated by the company, by the customers. In next 3 to 5 years, we foresee the company to go from strength to strength. We shall look at all opportunities to ensure that growth happens, organic as well as inorganic, same store sales growth, as well as look at opportunities to add stores as and when we find it possible and prudent. We see a very strong future for the entire industry in India, and TBZ being one of the pioneers and one of the front runners and one of the biggest brands will definitely cash in on any such opportunities, and you will see that the company will perform well and will also add to the shareholder value. With this, I take your leave, and I hope I have been able to answer your questions satisfactorily. I thank all esteemed shareholders for your time and for participating in today's annual general meeting. Thank you so much.
Chairman, sir, you are on mute. Kindly unmute yourself. Thank you. Sir, we are not getting any input, sir. Chairman, sir.
Binay Shah, if chairman cannot unmute, why don't you conclude the proceedings, because we are at the fag end of the AGM. No, we can't hear you, Binay Shah. No, can't hear you, Binay Shah. Can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
we can hear you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Banerjee. The voting results along with the scrutinizer's report will be announced on the company's website, www.tvztheoriginal.com, and on the website of the registrar and share transfer agents of the company, K Fintech Technologies Private Limited, on or before Saturday, 18 September 2021. And will also be communicated to the BSE and NSE. Members may note that the voting of the K Fintech platform will continue to be available for 15 minutes after the conclusion of this meeting. Thereafter, members who have not casted their votes yet are requested to do so. Thank you all.
Sir,
Thank you.
Sir, you have one declaration is pending. I now declare meeting as closed.
I now declare this proceeding as closed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.